Cool. You ready? You going?
Yeah.
You going?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Hi, guys. Okay, I'm going to show you how to install the catalyst intake piece. This is the whole plenum here. It's 2 parts. And then we'll also be installing what we call a latch. So what we need to do first is you got to have your hood. We'll flip it upside down here. Let's go ahead and remove your spare belt if you have it. Go, put that to the side. And now what we want to do is take a T25, I believe it is, Torx 25, and we will undo all the bolts that border the intake plenum here. They're all the same except for these 2, so keep those ones separate. But we'll go ahead and do that. Okay, I believe that's all of them. So all these, keep those to the side. We'll want to go ahead and take out this latch bolt as well, and I believe that's a T30. Big guy here. All right, now with all the bolts off, we just pull the plenum off. Just kind of pop it off around. We go here. You gotta pull these to the side. It should just slide on out there, just like that. That's what your stock plenum looks like. Now get rid of this big hunker, and we'll put in this little hunker here. With the plenum off, you want to go ahead and take a razor blade, and we're going to have to cut these hooks off that hold your spare belt. Right here, just flush with this edge here, just hatch them off here. Okay. Okay. Now what I like to do is take this top frog skin piece, this intake piece, and just line it up with the holes here. Also make sure your hardware is nice and out of the way. This is pretty good. I'm not getting too much pressure against the top piece here, so yeah, we'll just go around the border, let it snap in. You can see how, if you ever get any moisture in here, if you imagine this flipped over, the moisture will just leak through here into the machine as well. Here, nice seal all around. Beautiful. Okay, now let's take this bottom piece, flip her upside down, and you'll notice that on these mounting points here, there's little notches, one on each side, and they're just gonna follow this ridge here. So kind of line that up like so. And then from here, it should just puzzle together. No problemo, just like that. And obviously, just wanna make sure you go around and make sure everything's pushed in snug on the border, just like so. Oh, hear that click? Nice. And I'll just make sure same as on this side. Might have to do one side at a time. Let's do one side at a time. So this side's nice, clipped on, and I'm gonna start with these bolt holes here. Careful using the impact. These do strip easy in the plastic, so just be careful. Good. Okay, I'm going to do this one here. Okay, now I'm going to jump on the other side. There we go. I find that this is like the hardest corner, but once you get this, then everything else falls into place. Make sure this border here is recessed inside the top piece, which is on the bottom, just where the points of my fingers are. There we go. And the final part, just make sure you got a good seal and finish off your bolts here or your screws. There we go. That's the intake. What we're doing is we're pulling air now through the headlight, other than from the sides, just additional air. And then you got these two internal bypasses to where if everything clogs up, these will open and pull air from the motor bay. Now let's go ahead and put on the latch. We will still need to remove this piece, and you just pull that off if that hadn't already fallen out. But don't need that anymore. Okay, now what you want to do is there's these grooves here on the hood, and you just line that up with the latch. You just whoop, slide it right in, just like so. A perfect fit. Yeah, love it. And then you got these long legs that come out over here and hug this border on the hood. And then we'll need two screws here, and then the two weird ones here. Oh, right. And obviously. And that bolt, that screw. Okay, now you should have 4 screws left over, plus this big guy, and he just goes in the nose here. screw it down until it touches the border here. And if it's too tight, you will find out by putting the hood on and it's not latching in the nose piece right here. So if it's not latching, you just loosen that bolt a little bit and it should just go right in. And then last to top it off is this part not only works as a latch piece, but we got rid of your old spare belt storage and we moved it forward right here. So now we just gotta put your spare belt back in. Just gonna pinch it like so and get it over this lip on the nose. Gotta remember this. Yeah, just like that. And then come with the other side. Just put it down like so. And you take the sides of the belt, go underneath those, boom. That's where your spare belt is going to sit from now on.